press the buttons, but you just don't care. You sit there humming, just dead in the air. I tap, I smack, I beg, I plead, but you won't give me the heat I need. Are you sleeping? Are you gone? Did I do something wrong? You used to glow, you used to beep. Now all you do is sit there and weep. Oh microwave, why won't you see? My food is cold and so is me. I press and press, but you won't start. You're breaking my hungry heart. Last night you worked, we had a deal. You spun my plate, you cooked my meal. But now you're silent, a lifeless shell, trapped inside this beeping hell. Are you broken? Are you mad? Did I treat you bad? Just one more time, give me a sign, and heat this frozen meal of mine. Oh microwave, why won't you see? My food is cold and so is me. I press and press, but you won't start. You're breaking my hungry heart. Maybe it's time to let you go. Find another with a working glow. But deep inside I know it's true. No other microwave was quite like you. So I sit here, cold and alone, staring at you, my broken throne. One last press, one last try. Still no beep, just a heavy sigh.